So this is a question I get a lot. How can you grow your YouTube channel with genuine subscribers using paid YouTube ads? A lot of people ask me that because they're worried that if they just run ads, they're not going to get genuine subscribers, or maybe they know that those subscribers are out there, but you don't know how to target them, how to reach them to get them to pay attention to your channel. Well, that's what I want to cover on this video, how you can grow up a YouTube channel using paid advertisements to get genuine subscribers who watch each video, who turn on the notifications, and actually pay attention to really grow your organic YouTube following. So let's get into a clip from a recent AMA where I talked about this exact topic. What's the best way of using YouTube ads to grow genuine subscribers, campaign structure, objectives? That is great. James is actually one of our clients has gone through here as well. So that's kind of one of the next steps that you have. So once you have YouTube ads that are coming in, and those are your in-stream ads, the ads that appear in front of other videos on YouTube, those are bringing in direct conversion. So those are getting people to see the ad. They're actually opting into a webinar, to a VSL, to a funnel, whatever it is, and then you're basically getting people from that. What James is asking about is how to grow subscribers and really kind of build that existing following on YouTube. Now, this is something I have a lot of experience in because actually, and some of you may or may not know this, but before ad outreach, my experience, the last 10 years has been on the YouTube platform. I grew a channel, AppFind, which does like mobile app reviews, tech tutorials, things like that. I grew that channel to over 450,000 subscribers. And one of the secrets that I had was also using YouTube ads in conjunction with producing content, tagging, kind of all the classic organic YouTube things that you guys all know about. And so what I would recommend for this is essentially what you would do is you would run discovery ads, YouTube discovery ads. And those are ads that appear in search results. They also appear as a suggested video. So these aren't the ads that appear in front of another video. Those are in-stream ads. So those are essentially the YouTube in-stream ads. They appear in front of another video. They used to be called TrueView ads. Now they're called in-stream. What you would want to do is discovery ads, and those are going to appear alongside the video as recommendations. Have you guys ever been on YouTube and you're scrolling, whether it's through the news feed on your phone or you're watching a video and you see the recommended videos, you see this little yellow, it just says ad, but it's a recommended video. That's actually a YouTube discovery ad, and it simulates naturally finding the content. What we have found for the brand building, growing a channel, getting subscribers, getting people to like videos, and really engage with content, it's incredibly valuable for you to have these discovery ads, because then the low-hanging fruit is you can run them to anybody who's ever visited your website, kind of warm and hot traffic, visitors, converters. But you could also run that to new people as well to get them to click on the video, and then they're watching the video for a longer watch time. So we found on average with discovery ads, the watch time is longer. You'll get more subscribers, more likes, more engagements on the video. They'll watch more of your other videos on YouTube. Those are called earned views. So earned subscribers, earned views. You get shares, you get people interacting with the channel, you get that organic growth. And then the cool thing is now when people search it and maybe they didn't even get an ad, they're also going to see your channel, because the fact that you're getting more and more viewers boosts it in the algorithm. So then the next time somebody looks up that keyword, it doesn't even have to be an ad. They can just find it naturally because the video is now more popular. Then you get more subscribers. It becomes a flywheel of growing your channel, which is incredibly effective, especially for retargeting. One of the big things that we do is we take all our entire list, all the people that have signed up for our webinar, and then we run discovery ads for all of the content that I produce on YouTube. We run discovery ads for all of that to get them to watch all of those videos in the future. So essentially, keeping it top of mind. It's kind of like forcing somebody to subscribe to your channel as a retargeting ad. But you can also do this cold traffic to grow your channel as well. Hope you found this video valuable. And if you want to learn how to use YouTube ads for your own business, go down below and we actually have our YouTube ads webinar where we show you exactly how this works. Now, if you've already seen the webinar and maybe you're interested in actually booking a strategy call for YouTube ads, you can of course click the link down below to schedule your strategy call with our team. One of our advisors will get on a 45-minute complimentary strategy call with you to walk you through your current marketing and how you can implement YouTube ads in order to scale your business. We want this to be one of the most valuable 45 minutes you spend on your business all year. Now, also, you saw a clip just now from our recent AMA, Ask Me Anything, right here in our YouTube Ads for Entrepreneurs Facebook group. So if you're not already a part of the group, go down below into the description of this video and join the Facebook group. That way you have an opportunity to ask your questions live the next time we do an AMA. We usually do 1 or 2 of these a month, so you're going to want to make sure to join the group in order to get notifications on when we are going to go live. Also, of course, if you love the content here on this YouTube channel, turn on the bell icon and subscribe so you get constant notifications whenever we come out with a new video. And we have a brand new omnipresent retargeting machine webinar on how to become omnipresent, retargeting your leads everywhere to get them to convert and become clients. If you're interested in that, I actually put a link down to that webinar in the description below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.